She came half from Texas just to change the way it feels. She knows his love's a tough son, and she knows he's gonna go. But ain't no one flesh and blood, and ain't no rodeo. Oh, it pulls the blood, it's a dust of mud, it's a color of silver crown. It's a wine that knocks, cold in the buckle, he'll win the next go round. It's boots and chaps, it's cowboy hats, spurs and let it go. It's the ropes and the reins and the joy and the pain, they call it they rodeo. She does her best to hold him, his love comes to call. His need for it controls him, man, his back's against the wall. He's so long, girl, I'll see you when it's time for him to go. No woman wants her cowboy, he wants his rodeo. Oh, it's full of blood, dust and mud, it's a roar of a Sunday crowd. It's white in his eyes, gold in the buckle, he'll win the next go round. It's boots, chaps, it's cowboy hats, it's spurs and let it go. It's the ropes and the reins and the joy and the pain, they call the thing a rodeo. It'll drive a cowboy crazy, it'll drive a man insane. He'll sell all